How you can fix the Roblox Error Code 279. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Windows and here you have to search for the default apps. Now once you are in, from here you just have to scroll down and you have to find out the option of the Google Chrome. So once you find it, you just have to click on it, and from here you have to go in this website of your Google Chrome, and from here you have to restart your Roblox. And after that you just have to go back and you have to again go into your Windows, and here you have to search for the firewall and the network protection. Now from here you have to select that what access your networks, and from here you just have to click on it. If you are accessing the private network you just have to restart it, but if you are accessing the public network you have to restart then. And after restarting it you just have to restart your system and you are able to fix this error code. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.